got him. Whoa! He was there. Woo! Where is he? No, he's not a bad fish either. I'm glad I flung that up there. I wasn't going to. Oh, he's a good fish. Yeah, he's back out, is he? He's still on there. Where is he? Feel him. Oh, fuck. Oh, I'm in the drink. Where is he? I'm sure he's still on there. Is he still on there? Yeah, there he is. Still haven't got him. Oh, he's out. That's good. Come on. Ah, get out. Oh, he's in. Got him. Woo! Good fish. Oh, worth getting a wet ass for. What I'll do is I'll let him go out of there. Oh no, I'll let him back go in there. Oh, he's a good fish. Look at that, folks. Oh, he's a good fish. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, no, don't do that. Corner of the mouth. There, look at that, folks. Lovely little female, I think. There you go, mate. He'll be right. Live to fight again, boy. He'll be right.